For sale, 2017 International 7300 Altec TA50 55-foot articulating telescopic boom bucket truck. The 2017 International 7300 is a heavy-duty bucket truck built for demanding aerial applications in utility, electrical, and construction operations. Powered by a Cummins ISB 6.7-liter diesel engine producing 250 horsepower, paired with an Allison 3500R DS 5-speed automatic transmission, it offers strong torque and dependable performance. With a 33,000-pound GVWR, 185-inch wheelbase, and spring suspension, the truck combines stability and power for high-reach job site efficiency. The Altec TA50 articulating and telescopic aerial device provides a 55-foot maximum working height, 50 feet to the bottom of the platform, and a 36.2-foot side reach. It is equipped with a single-man, side-mounted insulated platform rated for 400 pounds and features 180-degree platform rotation. Additional utility features include a 1,000-pound material handling jib, compensated articulating arm, and 4 A-frame outriggers for superior stability during operation. Dual hydraulic tool circuits are located at both the platform and ground controls, supported by the Altec ISO-Grip upper control system. Finished in white with a gray interior, the truck includes cruise control and presents as a clean, fleet-maintained unit with verified one-owner history. Formerly county-owned, it has been regularly serviced and kept in excellent working condition. The 2017 International 7300 with Altec TA50 boom represents a work-ready, reliable solution for utility contractors, municipalities, and service companies needing a high-reach insulated aerial unit.
Looking for a reliable work truck with financing that works for you? Truck and Van Outlet is your destination for top-quality commercial vehicles and zero down payment financing designed to help business owners, contractors, and fleet operators hit the road without the financial headache. Whether you're hauling cargo, lifting with a bucket truck, or handling construction jobs with a dump body, our inventory is built for hard work and real-world performance. Each truck is thoroughly inspected, professionally maintained, and ready to go. Because downtime isn't an option when you've got jobs to finish and clients to serve. We offer easy and flexible financing options, nationwide delivery, and a customer-first approach that's earned us a reputation you can trust. Our team is here to guide you every step of the way, from selecting the right vehicle to getting you approved and rolling fast. At Truck and Van Outlet, it's more than just a sale, it's a partnership. Because when your business moves, we move with you. Call us today at 305-646-1945 or visit truckandvanoutlet.com to browse our inventory and apply for financing. Your next work truck is just a click away. Truck and Van Outlet. Tough trucks, easy terms, real value.